Just taking a walk behind my house. Oh, hey, there's my garage without a door. I should put a new door on that garage. Oh, hey, look up there. There's a giant tree that fell on my house. Well, not my house, my garage. But it's by my house. It didn't hit my house, so yay, I guess.
I think it's a good night for baseball. Here's what I'm working with. Up close and personal.
Making falafel, making falafel, making falafel. Let's see how it's going. Kind of dark, I don't know if you can see very well. Grabbing the oven mitt. Well, it's not really a mitt. It's retaining a solid shape now. Leave it a little longer.
Jeremy came to my rescue.
Yeah, rescue.
What? You did. You brought a chainsaw to get rid of my tree.
You wanna see what my best chainsaw tool is?
Ooh, it's a butter knife. That is pretty handy.
That's what I use to take the gas cap off.
It's about, what did you think, 4,000, 5,000 pounds of tree up there?
At least. It's a big mistake waiting to happen.
I'm just, yeah, I don't, like, wherever we cut this, worse stuff is gonna happen, maybe. The garage is collapsing. I'll say a prayer for you.
Thanks.
So these guys just pulled up a few minutes ago outside of the hotel that I am currently staying in this weekend. Got in, found some little thing under there, and then replaced it. I think they're geocaching. See what those guys were doing. I'm scared to open it. It's just logs and a pencil and one of those bags that comes in your shoes that you don't eat because it's just trying to keep it fresh. It's kind of disappointing. It's just like names and dates and stuff. I was thinking we were gonna get a drug bust, but it was just geocaching. Don't tell anyone where it is.
Oh, that's some good falafel. Look at the falafel. I got a Facebook message.
I did a quick time lapse to show just how much the ship was moving. It doesn't really showcase how much it like jerked around where it kind of threw you off balance, but it's kind of cool to see anyway.
Like if you let go of it?
No, if I let go of it, it's just idle.
But what if you dropped it?
If I drop it, that'll make it so light doesn't go.
Oh, okay.
Guys, it's a sports ball game that Trevor would like because Darth Vader's here.
I don't. Any different.
I'm on a boat, everybody look at me cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, take a good hard look at the mother.
real quick tour of the room. First off, we get the door here. And then this is the bathroom. I'll show you real quick. Very small, but it's actually, it works out well. The shower makes me feel like a giant though. The toilet's kind of scary. It flushes with a lot of force and very abruptly. The beds. But the best part is this deck here. Oh, yeah. The view has been better, but this is pretty decent though.
I thought it was a no respawn zone.
It's a limited respawn. It means it takes forever to respawn.
Guys, there's 3 PlayStations on the table.
So after some sawing, Jeremy's professional opinion is it's too dangerous.
Yeah, we're done.
It's gonna fall. It's teetering right there. So it's a nice.
It's moving in the wind.
I think it might be. So I kind of like it though. It gives me kind of a, I don't know, a very natural look. It's like a hood ornament on
Woodsy.
on my garage. So cool.
Falafel. It's hot, but it's tasty. Let's grab some salt. Could use some. Out of the way, laptop. Okay. Salt.